What if I told you that the secrets behind the construction of the Great Pyramids of Giza are still captivating the minds of engineers and historians today? These towering monuments have stood the test of time for over 4,500 years, but how were they really built? Let's uncover the engineering marvels and the myths that surround these ancient wonders. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into one of history's greatest mysteries, the construction of the Egyptian pyramids. These iconic structures not only showcase the remarkable engineering skills of the ancient Egyptians, but also tell us a story of ambition, ingenuity, and the human spirit. So, how did they do it? But before we get into the nitty-gritty, I want to hear from you. What's the most fascinating fact you've heard about the pyramids? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's get the conversation started. Now, let's talk about some of the theories and techniques that might explain how these massive structures were built. One popular theory suggests that the Egyptians used a system of ramps to transport the massive limestone blocks from quarries to the construction site. These ramps could have been straight, zigzagged, or even circular, allowing workers to haul heavy stones with relative ease. But it wasn't just about brute strength. The organization and planning required for such a monumental task were astounding. Thousands of skilled laborers, not slaves as many believe, worked in shifts, showcasing a level of teamwork and dedication that is truly inspiring. And let's not forget the precision. The Great Pyramid was originally covered in casing stones that reflected sunlight, making it shine like a gem in the desert. The alignment of the pyramids with the cardinal points of the compass is another testament to the Egyptians' advanced understanding of astronomy. So whether through incredible engineering techniques or the sheer will of a civilization, the pyramids continue to stand as a testament to human achievement. They remind us that with creativity, collaboration, and determination, we can achieve the unimaginable. If you enjoyed this journey into ancient history, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more fascinating content, and keep exploring the wonders of our world. Until next time, keep questioning and keep learning.